Come on. Jack, come and get it. Come on. Oh, Raistin's gonna come get it. Well, that's typical Jack.
Hey, where you go?
Come on.
Show's over. I'm gonna cry.
Come on.
He's probably tired.
Jack, we have to do this.
Well, he'll do more tomorrow.
But I
And he'll
want
do
to.
more the next day.
Hi. Ooh. You're a monkey boy. There's Jack on Daddy. Okay. Jackson. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Hey there. Hi there. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh. Hi. Oh, monkey boy. Oh, monkey boy. Oh! That's not making for good TV. Alright. Come on.
Jack. Jack.
Look at the puppy.
Jack. This is new.
Ah, Abu. What?
Inga.
What? What? Ba? What?
Jack.
Jack likes the camera. There he goes. First crawl wants to get the camera, silly boy. Jackson. Oh, come on. Come on, Jack. Your first girl. Aww.
Hey, good timing. I wanted to let you know that your grandson has started crawling. On it, yep, forward, and we just got some pretty good footage of him running around.
Jack. What you have? Now you're gonna eat it?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
funny 'cause
yummy?
He's not doing what I've always seen when I've never seen him learn how to crawl, but he's not really moving his legs much.
Come on! No, come here.
He's not moving his knees much.
Come on. Jackson. Come on. Come here and see mommy.
But I've been meaning to cry back, but it's a couple days of school.
Come on. Jack. You gonna crawl over there? Or you gonna bump your head? Don't bump your head. Jack. Come on. Come here. Come here and see me. Come on. Oh, that's what he used to do. He just would roll around like that. Come on. Look. What's that? Come on. Come on and get it. Come on and get it. Come on. I can't back up fast enough. We did it! We did it! What? Oh. Are you coming to get me again?